Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another useful tutorial video on this channel. And now today I'm going to show you how you can remove your emergency call option from your lock screen. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your settings option, and here you can find privacy or password option, just scrolling a little bit. But in my phone is called safety and emergency. You can either find this option, or you can have an option name privacy and password. Just click that option, and here you can see the emergency SOS option. Click that option, and to remove it from your lock screen, all you have to do is just turn off this option. Click here, and your SOS or emergency call option from your lock screen will be removed. But if you want to enable it again, just use the same process and turn this on again, and it will appear on your lock screen again. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.